that's it. You just dry hair, or you can just leave it more feathered, and you don't have to do that, and you can just let it go. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So listen, I just wanted to let you know I was outside, and of course my hair got nice and frizzy because of the weather outside. It's very moist outside, and it's like a sauna out there from the heat. I just want to show you how to re-blow dry it. Okay, and then I want to do this part right here. You see how instantly it'll put that nice feather in there? And then I'm gonna do one right behind it, pull it forward and then roll it. Everything is pulling it forward and then rolling it back. So if you like that Farrah Fawcett and that Jaclyn Smith kind of layers, you got to get a brush or a curling iron to just be able to put those layers in there. Now I want to tie that together from the top to the bottom. Get that one right there. Just grab it again. You see how it's going to land. Grab it. Now to get this bottom part, you could pull it forward. I could pull it forward like this. Get it on that brush. Heat it up on the brush. The brush is metal and it's like a good ceramic, and so you can heat it up. Yeah, look how much nicer that looks, right, than this side. So I love to just show you how to just take a blow dryer and re-blow dry hair, because you can just set it and it doesn't take a long time. All right, so I gave myself points, and I really love those points. I want to make them higher. So, you know, I just love that. So if I want to put this behind my ear, have this pretty point, I love that. And that looks cute too, right? Like, leave this side. I just have to do this little part here, but it's just nice, loose, and docile. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be balanced. Now I'm gonna grab this piece right here. Yeah, and then I like to put it behind my ear. So that's it. You just dry hair, or you can just leave it more feathered, and you don't have to do that, and you could just let it go. I need to cut my hair. Actually, I need to put more layers in it because I did my top, but I didn't do the sides. So that's why then you just push it back and you just make it work. This is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoy these little tips and tricks. Have a great day.